Introduce first.
Yes,
So,
yes, yes.
what is your name? Where are you from?
Yes. So my name is Sonam Yadav, and I was staying in Mumbai in Ghatkopar, and I am the MBA student, final year of MBA student, and I'm doing the job as account assistant. And I was nowadays my hobby is speaking in English. That's why I'm daily talking with people in English.
Okay, just because of lockdown, or are you really passionate about it?
No, just because of not lockdown, because of in future I want to work in the MNC company. That's why I'm doing like practicing in English. So I become a fluent. So I will get a good new job. That's why.
Okay, that's pretty good. So,
Yes.
actually, I was searching for the tutor on Skype. She's from UK, but suddenly I found your ID, and yeah, I was able to see that you are a mutual friend of other guys also. Then I messaged you.
Okay. So which friend is mutual friend? Just tell me.
I'm not able to see, but there was one mutual friend. I don't know that. Uh,
Okay, okay. So I just want to know about yourself also. You just
okay,
introduce yourself.
why not? Yes, why not? My name is Himanshu Mishra, and I am from UP, Uttar Pradesh, and my district
Okay,
is Kanpur.
okay. You're from Uttar Pradesh. You're
Yeah,
living now right now in Uttar Pradesh.
currently I'm
Okay,
living in.
okay, because I'm also Uttar Pradesh, but I live in Mumbai because I in my family, whole family live in Mumbai, but I basically belong the UP from Banaras.
From Manaras, Varanasi. Okay.
Yes. So that's why I was thinking also you're from also the Mumbai. That's why I'm just not thinking about the you're from UP. But in your surname, so I was thinking you're from UP side. That's why.
Yes, I'm from UP. Yogi Adityanath is the same of our state. I cannot say that
Yes,
my state because it is also your state. Yeah.
it's our state CM, and he is a very good. I think he's a very good person. He's doing very well in your work. So, Himanshu, what are you doing? What, like you're a student or you're doing the job?
Yeah, I am a university student and I am a teacher also, but I am a private tutor. I am preparing for government job.
Uh, like what student?
No, no, no. I am a university student and I have completed my post graduation.
Okay,
Post
post graduation in which side? Like arts, commerce, science? In which side?
arts.
Arts.
Yeah.
Okay,
Master of art.
okay, okay. So nowadays, what are you doing in like
No, if you want to see, I can show you that. My classes are off.
okay,
Yeah.
okay, you're the private tuition, like your private tuitions taking. Okay, that's very good. So, which class you're teaching? Mm.
12th,
Hmm? Sorry?
12th, class 12th.
12.
Class 12th.
Oh, okay, class 12. And which subject you're teaching?
English. I teach English.
Okay, you teach is English. Oh, wow.
That's why I was saying.
So,
Yeah.
telling the in Mumbai, the situations in the corona is rapidly increasing nowadays, day by day, and like the cases are not increases. So that's why the CM lockdown period increases. Now it's first May, but now it's 15 May in lockdown, and here is like to 7 to 11. Only we can go like a market and purchase all basic our necessities, and after 11 all the shops is closes, and the Saturday Sunday full lockdown. We can't go outside without any reason, and that's why his condition is very bad. but I'm doing the as a pharmaceutical company. I'm doing the work in the pharmaceutical company. So I was daily going my job, my office. Only the essential, only the essentials under in essential service that people can move outside. Otherwise, they are not allowing to move outside.
So as you told me that you are living in Mumbai is the city of stars, as I know that. So have you ever met any Bollywood star?
No, I am. Till that I have not seen. But yes, one time in my where I'm working, there is a some shooting is going on. That time I was seen one. Actually, she is not a film star. She is doing the work in serial, like serials, Hindi serial.
Yes.
That shooting is going in my office area. So I just watched that. Yeah, I like his acting. I watch his serial also. So only that star I was met in now in that time. You are coming in Mumbai anytime you have you ever come in Mumbai?
No, I have never visited Mumbai. I have never been there. So, and but if I get a chance, definitely I would like to visit there.
Okay. So like you, in your family, everyone is staying in Kanpur. You're the Kanpur.
Yes, everyone is from Kanpur, and everyone is living in Kanpur in my family.
Oh wow. Well, like you're living with your parents,
Yes,
and like
no, I am living with my family, with my
okay,
parents,
okay.
with my younger
Because
sister. Yeah.
why I'm asking this now, in during the lockdown period when the lockdown started, I was going in my village like 4 to 5 months in I live in my village, so that now every like boys are not living in like home. They are going for any preparations like what kind of they are doing any study, so that go in the Allahabad and Lucknow, that kind of places. All the boys, actually, I don't know what the because of the education purpose, they are going
Yes.
for outside. That's why I'm asking to you. You are also doing that thing.
So, if you have any question, you can ask me. Otherwise,
Yeah, I want to ask you how you learn your English, how you become a fluent in English. I want to know because I'm very curious to know.
it's very curious to know. As I can see that you are also speaking in a very good way, and you are more fluent than I. So I would like
Really,
to
you feel
know.
like that? You really feel like I'm fluent?
Yes, I can see that you are talking in a very fluent way. That's why I asked you that what is the reason behind it? How did you practice and how did you learn it?
Okay, because nowadays, every like a 2 week, 2 week before, I can say before 2 week before, I just started between to 9 to 10 in night time. I'm daily conversation with my subscriber who is
Okay.
subscribing my channel.
How many,
So they are sent.
how many subscribers you have?
Uh, Now 252. I just started in the 1 month, not a very old YouTuber. I just started in March month. So you can see in 1.5 month is my channel. I got a 252. It's not. It's a very big thing. In a very short time, I got so much subscribers. So my
Okay.
subscriber sending me mail. I want to talk with you. So in night time 10 to 9 to 10 I am daily conversation with people now like you I am today talking with you as like that. So
So,
you're the I
you
just
are,
finished my one actually
can
I
send
just one fin
if you
actually I just
the link of
yes
your channel, I would like to see that.
sorry.
If you can send me the link of your YouTube channel, so can you send it to me?
Yeah, after the our conversation finish I definitely send you. You watch my channel. Because I just finished my I'm just conversation with my one of subscribers, and after finish my call, I just then you asking about myself, I just call you. Let's see who is the person in behind this.
Is this actually? I was trying to connect my tutor. He's from UK, Great Britain. So, but I saw your profile that Sonam Yadav, and I was able to see on that profile that you one mutual friend means someone is common to you. We. Then I sent you
Oh,
message. That's all. I wanted to know
oh,
that.
okay, okay. So it's surprising meeting, but it will be good for us.
Yeah, those who subscribe me, they are also your subscriber. That's why I was able to see mutual friends, mutual connection on that.
Okay, okay. So yeah, you're asking about how I am doing my fluency and all that. So I was telling I'm daily conversation with my subscriber. That's why it's happened. And I was taking the one like tuitions. You can say in tuitions. It's online tuitions, Clappingo tuitions,
Okay.
Clappingo app. You heard I think in
Oh,
YouTube or
teacher on Clappingo?
sorry.
Are you teacher on Clappingo?
No, no, no. I'm not teacher. I'm the student in the Clappingo app. But I just talking. I just conversation with speaker 1 month so that I become a fluent now
Okay.
because I have daily conversation with this speaker. That's why I want to like polishing my English. So that's why I uploaded my all the Clappingo session with in YouTube. So people are watching my video, then they are start liking me, and now they are coming to talking with me. Because what's happened now in before like a clapping go and YouTube now I was finding the people to like communicate in English.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
that time I don't get any person. Now at times the people are sending me mail. Hey, I want to talk with you. That's the thing. I was very happy.
Okay.
I get a people like they coming in front of me, and now I'm talking with.
I'm requesting you, please, Sonam ma'am, please just talk to me. Please, I want to talk to you. Yes.
Yes,
People,
yes, yes,
the number of subscriber will increase day by day on your channel. You know, people will say to you, don't worry for that. That please, it is my dream that I would like to talk to you, ma'am, Sonam ma'am, something like this. That people will appreciate it a lot. Don't worry for that. Keep it up.
yes. But I was very happy because what I want, I get now. That's the thing. I was thinking I achieved something.